So I've decided to do my first vlog today. I have a photo shoot. It is a workshop in Brisbane with Peter Coulson. He is one of the best photographers in this world. He's doing a workshop teaching about maybe 10 to 15 other photographers, their lighting and all that fun stuff, and I get to be the model. I need to go get a takeaway coffee before I drive to Brisbane because, yeah, coffee is life. And by the way, as you can see, the makeup is quite natural. He wanted a natural look and no highlighter. Oops, a little bit of highlighter on the nose. I'm barely wearing any foundation either, so I guess I'll touch up there if they want more, but yeah, there we go. So I am about to drive to Brisbane for a workshop photo shoot. But all I want to do is demold my face cast. I have sculpted a clown and I'm dying to see if it worked. I'm pretty sure it did. So off to Brisbane now and demolding later.
The most important thing in your studio is this stuff here.
Is that to go over my mouth?
I didn't think of that. Come on.
You captured me. I'm laughing.
I captured you.
You did. You got it. Yeah, I like that one. I like that one. Say something for my YouTube and make me look good.
Alright, something. You said say something.
So I've just finished shooting with Peter Coulson. And look what I found. An absolute babe. This is Becca. Do you have a split tongue? Hmm? Yeah. Oh, I thought you said split tongue then. And I'm now delirious. All right, now I've got to say goodbye. And it's really sad.
What's the best way?
Goodbye.
See you.
I will miss you. Will you miss me? You have to say you're going to miss me because you're on camera.
Who?
Oh, he doesn't even know my name. Oh my God. Bye, everybody. What?
No, come back this way. Put on the right.
What do you have to say, Peter?
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Go up.
It's called foo.
So that's a wrap. I have finished my Peter Coulson workshop. Now I get to go home and demold my mask that I've been working on, my clown mask. So fingers crossed it doesn't split and break in half. As you can see, the second I got home, I went straight for that face mask. I've been dying to pull this thing out ever since I made it. I'm using a tricky contraption using 3 pieces of block and a mold strap, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that in another video. Let's skip it ahead a little bit. I may or may not have got my boyfriend who has bigger muscles than me to pull this thing out.